Hey, so if you're a homeowner, definitely listen up to this review really fast. Our carport was always full of leaves and just yard debris. The way the wind blew, it would just bring everything in, and it used to drive me nuts having to drag out the big, heavy leaf blower just to clean it up. But then I found this corded electric leaf blower, and it's been a total game changer. So this leaf blower is really little and it's lightweight at just over like 2 pounds. So even kids can use it. It's the perfect size for quick cleanups. But don't let the size fool you, because this thing really packs a punch. It's got like a turbo fan, and so it makes quick work of even wet leaves after a rainy day. And the best part, once you press the power switch, it locks into place, so no need to keep holding it down. So cleaning up the carport has never been easier and quicker. And there's also more to it. You can actually switch the tube to the air inlet, attach the reusable collection bag that comes with it, and it's a vacuum cleaner, which is really great to use to clean out my car. It's perfect for cleaning up pet hair, cookie crumbs if you have kids like I do. Just keep in mind it's best for smaller messes, so not like big, huge piles of leaves. But I love how easy this is to just grab and go. It's made my life so much easier, and our carport is finally staying clean. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty, so if you run into any issues, the company has you covered. I honestly could not be happier with this leaf blower.